Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share a perfect starter recipe that's very popular all over the world, and that's chicken potato cutlet without using egg or breadcrumbs, and yet tastes really awesome. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So let's learn how to make chicken potato cutlet at home in an easy way. So here I've taken 500 grams of boneless chicken that's cleaned and washed. Transfer it to a pan and then add little salt and little water, and then cook the chicken until they are completely done. It took around 10 minutes and the chicken is cooked well now, as you can see. So strain off the excess water, allow it to cool down and then shred it. You may also use a chopper to shred faster or just use hand to shred it. I have also boiled 3 medium-sized potatoes with little salt and now mash them. Potatoes are done, so keep it aside. Now let's do a quick seasoning. For that, preheat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add ginger garlic paste. That's 1 teaspoon and saute well until raw aroma goes away. You may also add chopped garlic and ginger if you want. Then goes in green chilies and saute for a minute. Then add 1 cup of freshly chopped green onions and then mix it well. Next goes in the spices, that includes half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. These are homemade. And then 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now give a good mix. Now add salt as per taste and mix well again. Now add in the shredded chicken and then mix all well until they are well combined. Now saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. And a quick tip, that this mixture you may use to make spring roll stuffings and it will taste extremely delicious. I have shared the recipe on how to make spring rolls. Please check the link. The mixture is ready now, so allow it to cool it down and transfer to a plate. It's cooled down now, so add into a bowl. And then to this we're going to add the mashed potatoes and then mix all well. Now potatoes and chickens are well combined, as you can see. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour to it and mix all well again. And our mixture is ready now. So let's move on in making the cutlet. Let me show you a very simple way of shaping a perfect cutlet, especially for the beginners. Just take a portion of a mixture, roll it and then hold straight and press it down. And that's it. You will get a perfect cutlet shape without hassle. You may also make a ball and flatten it and adjust the edges. It's completely your choice. Now let me show you again. Take a portion of the mixture, roll it, keep it straight and press it. Isn't this very simple? You may also make an oval shape. For that, just take a portion, roll it and then just press it. And you get an oval shape cutlet. Now continue with the rest. And all are done now. Now let's move on in frying them. So heat up a pan and add little oil for shallow frying. And then place the cutlets one by one and then shallow fry them on both sides until they turn crispy and golden brown in color. Ideally 2 to 3 minutes for each side. Now one side is cooked, so I'm flipping it over and then cook the other side. This cutlet can also be used to make a wrap or a patties to make chicken burger. You can see the cutlets are cooked well and they look very crispy. Look at it. It looks really crispy and it's very delicious too. So transfer it to a paper towel to drain excess oil. A crispy and a delicious chicken potato cutlet is ready. These cutlets make a great snack, especially during Ramadan and even on normal days, and also served as an appetizer or a starter. It's a very healthy and tasty cutlets. All the cutlets are done now. Look at it. It's very crispy and delicious cutlets. Serve it with mint coriander chutney or ketchup or any dip of your choice. Do try this cutlet and leave your comments below. Hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye bye.